rapidly deployed by a small team, SpyX is the next-generation loitering attack UAS and your tactical advantage. Electrically powered, small and stealthy, SpyX boasts enhanced carrying capabilities and endurance for critical long-range missions. And it's extremely flexible. Stored separately from the UAS, SpyX's selectable warheads allow mission flexibility for every target. To achieve true superiority in the field, SpyX works in tandem with BlueBird's VTOL UASs, becoming a true force multiplier. With advanced target detection and tracking, the VTOL rapidly acquires targets. SpyX's dual-sensor stabilized payload receives targeting information from the VTOL and locks in on the target, closing the sensor-to-shooter loop. Its high speed quickly takes SpyX to the objective, where it zeroes in for precise, lethal strikes on unsuspecting personnel and armored vehicles in motion, as well as static targets. With its abort and re-engagement capability, SpyX prevents collateral damage to non-combatants in the target zone, then completes its mission. Afterwards, the BlueBird VTOL UAS carries out accurate battlefield damage assessments. With mission flexibility, high precision, outstanding capabilities, and superior cost-effectiveness, SpyX enables you to expand your UAS arsenal to meet the widest range of challenges. Fly into the future of loitering attack UASs